Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a video. I've been getting a lot of comments about where I get my stuff for my metal stamping videos, and so I thought I'd just go through and show you guys. So I recommend starting off getting your basics at Michael's. You're able to use coupons and it's overall just the cheapest way to go. I'm in Canada, so Hobby Lobby may be similar as well as Joann's. I'm not sure, I've never shopped there, but I know that Michael's has basically everything that you need to start. So let's start shopping. So the first thing that I am going to recommend that you pick up is a font. So the first one that I saw here was just the purple one. I believe it's called the Heartbreaker font. So this one's $60 because it is the nicer set. It does tell you which way to hold towards yourself when stamping, which is really nice because the $24.99 ones don't do that and they're just a little bit harder to use. They are still really good though. And then they also now have this essentials kit. I do like the idea of this, however, I don't think that everything in here is quite necessary as a starter. So if you can get a good deal on it, for sure grab this, but I personally would just recommend grabbing the individual pieces as you need them. It'll end up being more cost effective if you only buy the stuff that you need. And the next thing is just their standard blanks. These are not my favorite. They don't actually end up looking super good when the product's finished, so I recommend just using these to practice on. They are a really good price though, so definitely pick these up with a coupon and then you can practice your stamping. So here I'm just showing you guys, this is the lowercase Juniper font. I use this one in all my videos. It's such a nice font. I love it. I totally recommend grabbing this. Here I'm just showing you guys the $24.99 font. So it does come in like a less nice packaging and it does not have the markers on it to show you which way to hold the stamp, so that's just something to keep in mind. The next thing I wanted to touch on was this 2-hole punch because I've been getting questions about how you put the hole in the blank, and this is one of the options. It has good reviews. I've personally never used it, so if you guys want to try this out, it may work, it may not. I'm not too sure. I just end up using a actual drill, but I know not a lot of people want to use that. And then here is the hammer. So this is the brass tipped hammer. It's really good quality. I love using it. They say you can replace the tip, but I have yet to see a place that actually sells the other tips. And then this is just your stamping block. This is essential. You need to buy one of these. They also make a bigger one at Michael's now, which I would love to purchase next time that I am there. And then they do have a few design fonts. It's very limited, so that's why I'm going to be showing you guys another website that I love to shop at. They ship to Canada and the US, and it's called Bohemian Findings. I recommend this to everyone who comments asking for a recommendation on where to get stuff. As you can see just from the first little bit, they have much better selection of design stamps and even fonts. They have lots of other ones that they don't have. You can see here that the price is quite steep because you can't use coupons or anything, and it is a little bit more expensive, but if you're trying to splurge out to create different designs and stuff, it is worth it. So here I'm just showing you a few of the other sets they have. This one is very nice. I don't have this one myself. I would love to buy it. It's just a bunch of different trees and I think it would just look really good. So as you can see, they just have so many options of things that you can purchase. Like this is actually quite new to the Impress Art website. This is the birth month flowers, and I just was blown away when they purchased, or when this was available on this site, because I find that a lot of the places that sell metal stamping in Canada just have old stock. They're not really replenishing it. Here is Juniper uppercase. This is where I purchased mine from. So as you can see, it's $20 more than Michael's, plus you can't use a coupon, so it is quite expensive, but it's worth it. So I'm just showing you guys, there really is endless options on this website. There is so many different design stamps that you could use to make so many different types of products, and I just love the selection of this website. I am not affiliated with this website at all. I have not been sent free products by them. This is just genuinely my recommendation to you guys. I have purchased from here multiple times and I have always had good customer service, fast shipping, everything is great from this website. And so now I'm just showing you blanks. I'm just showing you here, do not buy stainless steel. These are not stampable, they are only engravable. So just keep that in mind. I recommend copper, aluminum, or even brass. That's what you want to look for in the description. You're going to be very disappointed if you buy stainless steel and you are basically ruining your stamps trying to get an imprint on the metal. So now let's go to findings, because I had questions about this as well. I like to get all my findings from this website. I love how you can filter by metal color. I personally like using the black ones. However, when I went on this time, I only noticed that they had just the small split rings that I use and not the big ones. So just keep that in mind. You may not be able to get the exact same stuff that I purchased 6 to 8 months ago. It just depends on what they restock and what they don't. But you can really sort it by pretty much anything you're looking for. I typically just use split rings, as you guys have seen, so they have lots of different color options, size options, and if you look, you can get up to 250 rings for under $5, so it's very good pricing. And then the last thing I'm going to talk about that I use is charms. I love silver tone charms, so we're just going to be filtering it to that. And there's like 40 pages of charms on this website. I went through them the other night and it took me like over an hour, so they really do have charms for any product that you are looking to make, and there's so much more to explore on this website than I am showing here. I recommend you guys take a look. It is such an amazing website, and yeah, I'm just showing you all the options here. So this dog paw is something that I would purchase. It is super cute and it's super perfect for any sort of pet charms, as well as these stethoscopes. You can buy them in bulk if you want to do nursing kind of things or doctor charms, stuff like that. There really just is so many options on this website. This is a great wholesale website to create all of your different products, so I recommend that you check them out. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope that this helped you guys out for anyone commenting asking where you can get all your products, and I'll see you in the next video.